Well, hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to work on just a real simple little fire starter. Something you make at home, you can use in your backyard, use it when you're camping, throw it in your survival kit. Super simple. All you need is a fiber, base egg carton, some wax, scraps, and a little sawdust. So let's get this heating, and I'll show you how to get this prepared. Now this is just too crazy easy, too simple. You don't need the lid, so get rid of that. Or the flap. These containers, they're going to become our wicks. Don't pack it in too tight. Just get some sawdust in there. Not outdoors, so don't worry about the mess. Just gonna get roughly the amount you need. Just enough to fill it up. And our wax is just about done melting, so here in a minute we'll dump the wax, or the sawdust, excuse me, we'll dump the sawdust into the wax. So give us a couple minutes. You can move the wax over into an old camp frying pan that I don't care too much about. And simple step. Just get that stuff soaked. And pour it in. Okay, that's it. Just get in there as good as you can. Come back in, pack it down a little bit. Every one of these little fibers is going to act like a wick. So it's just incredibly simple, but it works fantastic. Okay, tamp everything in real good as you can. Every last one of those little bits of sawdust can act like a wick for you. And it's somewhat contained until the outside burns, but you know, even the outside is part of that fire starter. Just go through, pack it down. In between the cavities, I try to keep it pretty light because that's where we're going to be cutting it later. So let's let these cool off and we'll come back and try them here in just a minute. Okay, so it's been a little while. They're mostly cooled down. Could stand a little more. Let's try one. All we're doing is just simply cutting the partitions there. And that's one fire starter. Let's go try it out. Okay, before we light this, please do me one thing. Reach down and hit the like and subscribe button. It would sure help my little channel here. So, get a little tinder, a little wood. Not trying to make a big fire right now. it's just that easy. This is going to burn for quite a while. Give you plenty of time to get a fire going. Well, hey, stick around to the end and let this burn a little bit. While this is burning, there'll be some links. We're going to give you a real nice leather treatment product you can make from wax, another ingredient. And we'll even do some mustache wax. Thanks for stopping by, appreciate it. Y'all have a good one.